Hi friends, how are you guys today? I'm Linda Green and I'm going to make a roller bottle today with essential oils. I use doTERRA's essential oils. I really love the product. I love the research and all the backing and the testing behind it, and that's why I use this particular brand. I think there's other good brands too, but I'm just really in love with these. So today I'm going to make a roller bottle called I Am Confident. So am I the only one that has ever felt like less than, or like I wanted to kind of shrink and hide and not be seen? I don't think I'm the only one, but it can be a real challenge sometimes to get through those hoops and jump through that nonsense, I guess you could say. So this is what we're going to do. I've got this little bottle right here. It's kind of a yellow green and some blue. And I'm just going to use my handy dandy little funnel. It just helps to make sure that the oils are going into the bottle and not down the side of the bottle. So we're going to start with bergamot. And we've talked about bergamot before in another oil roller bottle blend. Bergamot, I'm not really sure how you say it. I've heard it both ways. So it's a really good oil. It helps to calm your mind. It helps you to sleep as well, which is really, really nice because sometimes life can be a challenge and it can be hard to get to sleep, right? So this oil really helps when you are in that phase or that time in your life or a mode or whatever, when you're feeling a little bit less than, you're self-judging, which is not good, but a lot of us do it at different times. And we don't want to feel that we aren't good enough. So bergamot will help you feel a sense of acceptance, and it helps you feel hopeful. And it's, like I said, it's really good for sleeping as well. If you're trying to get to sleep at night, it can be really helpful for that. So instead of feeling inadequate, it helps you to feel like you are good enough. So we're going to start with this 7 drops. And I got an extra bonus one there, which is fine. The citrus oils always come out a little faster, and you just have to be cautious, but it's not that big of a deal, right? A bonus oil is fine. Okay, next we're going to use patchouli. Patchouli is really good to kind of help you be grounded and centered, and it's great for exercising, for yoga, things like that. It helps us to feel more at peace and to feel more present in the things that we're doing. It helps us to feel, like I said, accepted and more balanced, grounded, those kind of things. And some of you are familiar with patchouli. Patchouli is more a deeper note. It's more kind of woodsy, I guess you could say. And just kind of helps calm things down. So we're going to use 3 drops of the patchouli. And it's kind of a strong oil. And it's a thicker oil. Oh, here we go. There we go. All right. All right, what's next? We have cedarwood. And cedarwood really helps to calm down the busy brain, which I definitely need that a lot. I'm just being honest here. It helps me a lot. So it helps us to form bonds, and it inspires a feeling of belonging, a feeling of community, and just more grounded and centered in those kind of things. So you feel more aligned, I guess you could say. So we're going to use 3 drops of cedarwood. Get that. This one's thicker too. 1, 2, 3, come on. Told you it's thicker. All right, let's see how it's smelling. Yes, cedarwood obviously is a wood. So it smells woodsy and just earthy. It's a good one. So that's the things that help you feel more grounded in that. All right, then we're going to do cardamom. Cardamom is really good for respiratory help. You can breathe it in. You can put some in your hands and breathe it in. and just helps kind of open things up. And it helps those that feel that they might get a little bit frustrated sometimes. And I know I've been there. I've been in those positions where I feel like, okay, things are not going very well, or I'm bugged at this person. Just being honest, raise your hand if you've ever been there, right? So it helps us to move past those things, because cardamom kind of helps us to slow down and take a deep breath. And so we can kind of get more regulated, if you can, you know what I'm saying? Just not be so judgmental. And it helps us to be more objective. And it also helps us to be more respectful and just more patient and more tolerant, and just able to cope with things a little bit better. I'm only going to use 1 drop of this, and this, it might come out a little faster. I might end up with a bonus, but that's okay. Well, this one's getting really low, but I know there's some in there. Come on. Gotta shake this one up. You know what? There's some in there, but I'm just gonna open up a new bottle. That'll help. There we go. Got that. And now I'm going to fill it to about the neck of the bottle, just to right about there where my fingers are, with the doTERRA fractionated coconut oil, and it'll fill up this bottle. And we'll just put that there so I can have it stable in my little gizmo. All right. And I've shown you this before. This is the handiest thing. You can put either a 5 ml roller bottle or the 10 ml. And I really like this because it does help it stay steady while I'm, pouring things in. All right. So we'll get the little roller top right here, and then you can smash this thing right on there. It really helps. So let's see. There we go. Make sure it's snug all the way around. Put the lid on. And I'm gonna just kind of swirl it around a little bit so it mixes up. I better smell that, right? Oh yeah, I like that. It smells great. And I made some labels a little earlier. Got these cute little labels. I like doing things like that. It's kind of fun. Just put that right there on the bottle. I am confident. So it's great, like I said, when you're feeling a little bit less than, not good enough, I need to feel more grounded and not be so discouraged or frustrated and things like that. So there's the label, there's the bottle, voila. Took what, 5 minutes? And if I was just doing it without talking, it would take like a minute. I love the oils. They can really help us not only with physical things, but emotional things as well. And I love that part of these. So anyway, this is the newest roller bottle that I'm making. So please hit the like and subscribe and share it if you would like to, and helps my algorithm. Anyway, we will see you another time. Thank you so much for watching.